Once you get to university, you realize there's like so many different kinds of people, and you're just like, I wish we grew up in the same earth, because I'm just confused. So no matter where you go to university in the country, you will definitely meet one of the following. This person came to university to get their degree in dip. Like, you hit them up and the conversation will go about just like this. Hello. What's up, bro? What are you doing tonight? I think I might just finish up some reading and then start working on the essay that's due in 6 months, because you know, we need to start early. And after that, I might email the lecturer and book in a office hour, because I need to start discussing my dissertation for my 3rd year, you know. So yeah, the workaholic is basically a ghost. You will see them freshers week and you will never see them again, because they will spend most of their time either in their room or in the library. There is no in between. So just say bye-bye to them. No one really knows what they do during the nighttime, but they're always up. Like, you will hit them up at 4 a.m. They will be up to respond to your message at 4 a.m. They do not sleep. Sleep is a fantasy to them. That does not exist, and for that reason they basically look like this in lectures. How much time has passed? Huh? What did he say? Did you guys hear what he said? Oh, okay. Oh, all right, cool. All right, let me start taking notes. Where's my pen? The lecture theatre now becomes their sleeping area. This person is always late to their lectures. There is no day that they actually show up early to their lectures, let alone on time. What time is it? It's 9:30. My 9 a.m. started 30 minutes ago. Okay, we're going. Avoid being that person. Set an alarm clock. Actually write down plans for the day, because really you want to get the most out of those lectures by showing up early. And that's the type of person that literally signs up to everything. They are the volunteer of the world. Literally, you'll be speaking to them, having a normal conversation like, hiya, I'm Blessing, how are you, what's your name, what do you do, like, have you signed up to any society? Hi, nice to meet you. Well, I have signed up to the Archery Society, the UN Society, the Law Society, the Good Cooking Society, the Aquarium Society, and we just look at different aquariums online. The Traveling Society, although I don't have the money to travel, I do like the prospect of traveling. The World Society, the Academic Society, the Conservative Society, the Liberal Society, because only getting one side of the argument is not enough. The Malaysian Society, the Historic Society, the History Society, the French Society, the Spanish Society, the Politics Society, the PPE Society, because politics is not just politics, it's also philosophy and economics as well. I think those are just the ones I'm most involved in. However, I do also join some of the activities run by the Library Society. Don't be that person. By all means, join societies, but if anyone ever asks you what societies have you joined, just keep it to a bare minimum and maybe mention 2 or 3 that you really like. And these type of people kind of get on my nerves because they remind me of how unfit I am. Those are the people that do actual sports and any sport related activity, because the conversation with them kind of goes like this. So yeah, are you free tomorrow to go for lunch? I was thinking maybe Mexican. Oh, goodness gracious, never that. Are you okay? Mexican, do you understand how many calories that has? I would rather go to the gym, do a few squats, run on the treadmill for an hour long. In fact, I need to book my training sessions for tomorrow, because this is not alright. I think you need to join the gym with me as well, because you need to be skinny. You need to get that summer body. Have you seen February? February has become the new deadline for your summer body, so don't do that to yourself. You're not going Mexican. I am taking you to the gym with me, alright? Once you go shopping with them, you realize that not everyone has gotten the different bargaining skills you got whatever when you were growing up and everything, because this is what will possibly happen in a shop if you went out with them. Oh, this is a nice pen. Oh, £359. That is not a bad deal, you know. This is really good deal, and it's a nice pen. Like £359, blessing. Should we get this? Honestly, if you become like them, your student finance will disappear within not even a week now. Yeah, don't do that to yourself. Another type of person that kind of gets on the nerves of everyone when you get to university is the Oxford reject. This person is so salty, and every single time you meet them, they will remind you of the time they were rejected by Oxford. Honestly, these type of people are not the most liked people on campus, so if you do apply for Oxbridge and don't get into Oxbridge, please don't manifest it everywhere you go, because we don't care. Us non-Oxbridge rejects, because you know what, yeah, if you want to avoid a situation like this, just make sure you don't apply to Oxbridge, like, or just keep it to yourself. Like, no one really cares if you got into Oxbridge and rejected them, or if it happened the other way around. Like, no one cares. Whatever university you get at, just mind your own and bang on the work and be social and be nice. Peace. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you keep watching my videos, because LifeWithBlessy is doing bits, you know. Like, I met a fan the other day. I was so gassed. Like, they were like, oh, by the way, are you LifeWithBlessy? And I was like, don't lie to me, you don't know me. Are you sure you're talking about me? Like, I was so gassed. Like, I've never been so gassed in my life, being recognized on the street, on campus. Oh yes. So it was a really good experience. So just make sure you keep liking these videos, sharing these videos, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, click that subscribe button, you know where it is, and turn on post notification button so you're the first one to see my videos. And yeah, as I said, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.